Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Waleed, and today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most exciting touring innovations of the year, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Touring Trike Camper. This machine is not just a motorcycle, and it's not just a camper. It's a bold fusion of long-distance luxury, three-wheel stability, and compact mobile living designed for riders who want absolute freedom without sacrificing comfort. At first glance, the 2026 Goldwing Touring Trike Camper commands attention. The iconic Goldwing front profile is instantly recognizable, with its aerodynamic fairing, wide LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork that feels premium from every angle. But as your eyes move toward the rear, the transformation becomes clear. The Trike configuration adds two solid rear wheels, delivering unmatched balance and confidence, especially for long journeys and low-speed maneuvering. Under the skin, Honda continues its legacy of smooth and reliable performance. The Goldwing's legendary engine delivers effortless torque, allowing this touring trike camper to glide along highways with remarkable ease. Acceleration is smooth and controlled, even with the added camper weight, and the power delivery feels refined rather than aggressive, perfectly suited for relaxed cross-country travel. Stability is where the touring trike camper truly shines. The three-wheel layout transforms the riding experience, offering exceptional grip and balance on various road surfaces. Whether you're cruising through mountain roads, navigating city streets, or pulling into a scenic campsite, the Trike design removes the fear of tipping and reduces rider fatigue. Step into the camper section, and you'll immediately understand the vision behind this machine. The camper is compact yet intelligently designed, offering a comfortable sleeping space, smart storage solutions, and thoughtful ventilation. Everything has a purpose. From fold-out sleeping arrangements to integrated lighting, the camper transforms from a sleek traveling unit into a cozy retreat within minutes. Inside the rider's cockpit, the 2026 Goldwing Touring Trike Camper feels like a luxury touring lounge. The seat is plush and supportive, designed for all-day comfort, while the riding position keeps your posture relaxed and natural. The digital display provides crystal-clear information, including navigation, ride modes, and system monitoring. Safety has always been a Goldwing hallmark, and the 2026 Touring Trike Camper takes it even further. Advanced braking systems deliver confident stopping power, while traction control and stability assistance work quietly in the background to keep everything composed. What truly sets this trike camper apart is the lifestyle it represents. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of independence. It's built for riders who want to wake up with mountain views, chase coastal sunsets, and travel without hotel bookings or strict schedules.